Old piano, the hard sound in it. The room is always tricky to tune in a room like this, and also the museum is well located. If you visit Reykjavik, you can explore. Hello, today I'm taking you inside the Reykjavik Art Museum, Listasafn Reykjavíkur. I'm going to tune a piano there, and I will share some tips to think about if you tune or work in similar environment. I'm going to tune this piano for concert. This is a Petrof piano from Czech Republic, old one. This piano is out of tune. This room where I'm tuning the grand piano is a very hard sound in this room. It's only concrete around me, no chairs or nothing inside, just me and the piano. And it's sometimes difficult to tune the instruments there when you have sound like this, just concrete. The sound is hard. When you have people inside the room, the sound is changing a lot. So it can be tricky if you are going to voice the piano. That means if you are alone there inside there, no chairs, no people, the sound is different, as I said before. And you have to be very careful if you are going to voice piano in this, like this room, that you are needling it too much. The sound can be nice when you have been voicing the piano, but after, the sound is too soft. So we have to be careful, and it's always tricky to tune in a room like this, and also it's tricky to voice it. Finishing the temperament tuning in the middle of the piano. Now we put some time lamps on. Just a little check. The sound in this piano is, this is an old piano, it's a hard sound in it, not soft and nice, but also here in this room is a lot of echo. Thank you for staying with me today. The museum is well located downtown Reykjavik. There are a lot of interesting places close by the museum to explore. The harbor is here, and sometimes I tune on the cruise ships that come to the Reykjavik. The concert hall is a short distance from here. There are so many nice restaurants and shops nearby. If you visit Reykjavik, you can explore a lot downtown by walking around. Thank you for watching. I was tuning this Petrof piano, and see you later. Bless, bless. Bye bye.